We're not supposed to use those water bottles, bring a reusable water bottle to all of our events, to our meetings. If and when we are using those water bottles, we take the responsibility to actually finish every single drop of water and then put the bottle in the recycle bin. Especially as a person who believes in goodness, you need to take the ownership, finish everything and discard it at the event place. Do not create that extra work for masajid, for institutions, for libraries, for other community centers that you are attending in events at. Because trust me, it causes so much frustration and so much work for people who are organizers of the event. And I'm sure the people who organize these events do understand what I'm talking about. Even at my center, I go through this every single time we have an event. I have to collect those water bottles with my volunteers. I have to throw away the water, feeling really bad inside. You know, every single drop of water is an amana from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If you waste it, an ethical, a religious crime. As a Muslim, as a person who actually believes not creating mess for other people, clean your own mess and be environmentally friendly whenever and however way you can. Thank you. Keep listening. Keep writing to me. And I absolutely love your comments. So keep commenting on my videos and keep sending me the topics that you want me to talk about. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.